Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about how to remove reflections from an image using AI on Samsung Galaxy S24. Step 1. In the Photos gallery, swipe up on an image which has reflections you want to remove. Step 2. Tap the Erase Reflections button if you see it. Step 3. If you don't see the Erase Reflections button, simply tap the pencil icon at the bottom of the page, then tap Edit. Step 4. Now tap the 4 dots at the bottom. Step 5. If your S24 has detected reflections, then simply tap Erase Reflections. If it hasn't detected them, then you need to tap or circle the reflections and they be removed. Step 6. When you are happy, select Save over the original image, or tap Save as a copy to leave the original image unedited. Hope you guys like this guide. Please hit like and subscribe so that I will share more guides with you.